Hello student, my name is Padve Deepmala Arun, Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Srirampur, District Ahmednagar. Today we are going to start. The chapter name is Elements of Groups 13, 14, 15, 11th Standard Chemistry subject. The chapter number is Elements of Group 13, 14, 15. In this chapter, previous lecture we also discuss in the electronic configurations of group 13, 14, 15, then physical properties of the group 13, 14, 15 is also completed. Now today we are going to start the group 13, 14, 15 in which the chemical properties will be studied in this lecture. Now the chemical properties in which the first chemical properties is oxidation state. Now here is a oxidation state. We will discuss in the all of three groups, means group 13, 14 and 15. The oxidation state will be discussed in this lecture. Now in this lecture the oxidation state is the first chemical properties of the group 13, 14 and 15 in which the highest oxidation state is total number of valence electron are present in that orbital, s orbital or p orbital. This is the highest oxidation state. Now in this groups 13, 14 and 15 the outer electronic configuration is here. Now the group 13, its outer electronic configuration is NS2 NP1. Last lecture we also discussed in the general electronic configuration, and all of elements its electronic configuration we will also discuss in the previous lecture. This is the group 13 and its outer electronic configuration is NS2 NP1. Now group 14, its outer electronic configuration is NS2 NP2. This is the outer electronic configurations of group 14's element. All of these elements, the group outer electronic configuration and electronic configuration is also studied. Now the group 15, its outer electronic configuration is NS2 NP3. Here is outer electronic configurations of group 15 is NS2 NP3. Now the oxidation state. Group oxidation state, the group 13 is +3. Then group oxidation states of the group 14 is +4, and oxidation state of group 15 in all of these element is +5. This is the group's oxidation state. Means, for example, the groups is boron trifluoride, it's a group and its oxidation state is +3. One by one we will discuss the oxidation state or its example we also discussing. Now the other oxidation states mean +3, and other is also shows the oxidation state is the group 13 is +1. Here is shown the other oxidation state is +1. Now group 14 is also shown the other oxidation state is +2 or -4. Means some examples shown the oxidation state is +2 and -4. Now the group 15 is also shown the other types of oxidation state will be shown in. Here is a +3 and -3. This is the group oxidation state. Other oxidation state will be shown in the group 13, 14 and 15. Now here is the most important things in this group 13, 14 and 15 is the example says. Means first example, second example, and all of these examples it shows the oxidation state. This is the first chemical properties. We know that the first group is a group 13 in which the some example we will shown. The first example is a boron trifluoride. Here is a BF3. Boron trifluoride, its oxidation state is +3. Means boron trifluoride, it's shown the +3 oxidation state. We will see the other examples like aluminum trichloride. Here is an aluminum trichloride because the aluminum is a group 13 element. Boron is also group 13 element. Now aluminum trichloride are also shown in a +3 oxidation state. This is the example. Now the third example is gallium trichloride. Here is a gallium We know that gallium is a elements of group 13 elements. Gallium trichloride, its oxidation state is also +3. Now the next element is a indium trichloride. Here is a iron Cl3. Indium trichloride, its oxidation state is +3. It shows. Now the thallium bromide. Thallium bromide, here is a 1 thallium atom and bromide is a 1 bromine atom, and that's why its oxidation state is a +1. Here is only thallium bromide. It shows the +1 oxidation state because the number of atom is not a 3, only 1 atoms are attached to the thallium atom. That's why its oxidation state is a +1. Now all of these boron trifluoride, aluminum trifluoride, gallium trichloride, sorry, here is a aluminum trichloride, gallium trichloride, indium trichloride, all of these groups or all of these compounds, it shows a +3 oxidation state. This is the example and this is the general electronic configuration. Oxidation state, it's a stable and common oxidation state. It will be shown in the group 13 element. Now +1 is a other types of the oxidation state is also shown. The thallium bromide is a +1 oxidation state. Now the next group is a group 14. Here is a general electronic configuration. We know that NS2 NP2, its oxidation state is +4. Now here is a other types of oxidation state is +2 and -4. Now in this group 14, here is the example says. First example is a methane. We know that methane is a CH4. Here is a 4 hydrogen atoms are attached to the carbon atom, and that's why its oxidation state is +4. Here is oxidation state of the CH4 molecule, it's a +4. Here is a methane. Now second example is carbon dioxide. Here is a carbon dioxide, also examples of the group 14 because carbon is the first elements of the group 14 and it's a carbon family. We know that in that the carbon family, it's a carbon dioxide is a examples of the oxidation state of the group 14. Here is the carbon dioxide, its oxidation state is a +2. Here is carbon dioxide, it shows a oxidation state is +2 because of here is a 2 molecules of oxygen. Now the next element is carbon tetrachloride. This is also examples of the carbon tetrachloride is a group 14. Here is a +4 oxidation state shown in the carbon tetrachloride. Now the next one is a silicon tetrachloride. Here is CiCl4, silicon tetrachloride. Now germanium trichloride, tetrachloride, germanium tetrachloride. I will write here example says germanium tetrachloride is an example of group 14 elements. Now the next element is a tin dichloride. Here is CSnCl2, tin dichloride. Its oxidation state is +2 because of here is a chlorine atom is a 2 chlorine atom. Germanium tetrachloride. Then next example is a lead dichloride. All of these examples of the group 14 element. This is the oxidation state of the +4 and +2 is the other types of oxidation state and -4 is also oxidation state shown in the group 14 element. First example methane, it's a CH4 formula, carbon dioxide CO2, then carbon tetrachloride, it's a CCl4, then silicon tetrachloride, it's a SiCl4, then germanium tetrachloride is a GeCl4, tin dichloride, here is a dichloride because of 2 chlorine atom, and then lead dichloride, it's also shown in the oxidation state +4, +2 and -4. Now the next group is a group 15 and its general or outer electronic configuration is NS2NP3. It's a group 15 elements. Its outer electronic configuration is NS2NP3. Now its oxidation state of the group 15 is +5 shown. Then sometime it shows in the +3 or -3 also. oxidation state shown in the group 15 elements or compounds. Now the examples. We will see the examples. Here is the example says. Now the first example is N2O5. Here is N2O5, dinitrogen pentoxide. This is the name of the N2O5. Then example of NH3. This is also shown in the +3 oxidation state. Here is a +3. Other types of example is a NH3. Now the NF3. Here is NF3. This is also examples of the group 15 elements, means nitrogen trifluoride. Then PCl5. PCl5 means phosphorus pentachloride. This is also shown in the +5 oxidation state. The next element is a antimony trichloride, SbCl3. This is also examples of the group 15 element. Now BiCl3 means bismuth trichloride. This is also examples of the group 15 element, and it shows the oxidation state is a +3 or -3. Here is -3 oxidation state will be shown. We can calculate easily, but I will only show in the oxidation state or oxidation state of group 13, 14 and 15. Now I repeat again the group 15. Here is a general electronic configuration is NS2NP3. Now its oxidation state is, commonly oxidation state is shown in the +5 and sometimes will be shown in the +3 or -3 oxidation state. Now the example says of the group 15, we know that group 15 is a nitrogen family and the first element is a nitrogen. Now all of this example is a nitrogen, then bismuth is the last element of the group 15. We will discuss in the previous lecture. We also know that then this is the examples. First example is a N2O5. N2O5 means dinitrogen pentoxide. NH3. NH3 is a ammonia. We know that this is the ammonia, and ammonia are shown in the +3 oxidation state. NF3 means nitrogen trifluoride. Here is a fluorine atom and its name is nitrogen trifluoride. Now phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5. Phosphorus pentachloride, its oxidation state is +5. Then antimony trichloride, it's also shown the oxidation state is +5, +3 or -3. Now the last compound is bismuth trichloride. It's also examples of the group 15 element. This is the group 13, 14 and 15. It's the first chemical properties is oxidation state. It's completed. Now the next chemical properties means reactions of the oxygen, air, nitrogen will be discussed in the next lecture. Thank you.